Hi guys, welcome back. So today I did 3 videos. So please, I have many things to do, but I'm just doing videos. So please like and subscribe. So now I'm going to do last supplying fidgets. Okay, look what I found in my fidget. A pencil, coloring pencil from my sister's pencil case. So yeah. So one of you guys wanted to see this. One of these very long socks. So yeah. So let's start our video. So this video I will do the both last supplying fidgets and gymnastics challenge part 4. So yeah. So let's first play with fidgets. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Start playing. So yeah, guys. So one of you requested to wear long socks. Look. So it's so funny. So I'm now playing with these two, with a puppet too. So yeah, that was so funny. So if you want, guys, you can also request things so I can do. So now I'm playing with these two, also this puppet. So yeah, guys. So now this video will be divided into 2 parts, like 5 minutes playing with fidgets and 5 minutes gymnastics challenge, or like 6 minutes. I will see. So yeah, guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you one time I scared my grandma with this because it's so scary. It's like a snake. So yeah. I put it on his lap and like I did it here, and he said, "Ah!" It was so funny. Yeah, guys. Okay. The noodles make like a helicopter sound. It's not working. So yeah, guys. My cousin also have fidgets. I will tell you what does he have. He has a circle, what color? I forgot. Purple puppet. Yeah, circle puppet. Its color is purple, and a heart puppet. It's colorful like this one, and also he have two dimples like mine, and he has a fidget spinner, like a puppet fidget spinner. So yeah, and he has like a penguin puppet. It's also colorful. So yeah, guys. Okay, and he has the same noodle, not this one. He has 2 from these, one like really light yellow and what color? I forgot. Blue. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to do a split while I'm playing with my fidgets. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ouch! Ouch! It's hurting. I can't. Ow! It's so hard playing with fidgets. Ow! Okay, I can't anymore. I give up. Ouch! Wee! Ow! Okay, look. I'm going to throw all of my fidgets on me. Wee! Yeah. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Now my sister is in her room playing with her toys. I told her to go inside so I can do the video because she will not okay, listen to me because her voice is so loud. And she's watching TV right now. So yeah. Let me do a candle. Okay, I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Okay, ow, 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 ow. It's hurting my back. It's so hurting. Ow. My finger hurts right now. Ow. Yesterday, I hurt myself. Look, in my head. Because I was running to go to school because I was so late. So I hurt myself. So yeah, guys. So 1 more minute. I'm going to stop this video. So yeah. If you want, you can tell me some jokes. And I can do a jokes video. Like I say your jokes to you all, guys. And I will tell you if these are funny jokes or naughty jokes that you don't have to do them. Or like or pranks to do them for your family. It will be so funny. But I can't because if I did a prank for my family, they will make me into a big trouble. So yeah, guys. Okay, this video is over. So before I go, please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.